my dear family. I am Elizabeth Salazar. I am 28 years old. I live in Lima, Peru with my parents and my brothers. My mother is model designer, my father is driver, and my brother is graphic designer. We have three dogs, also Luna and Audrey. My hobbies are listen music, read novels, run in the mornings, watch TV, travel, go to the cinema, and meet new friends. I am keen-like, friendly, funny, and very positive. In Peru, I studied informatics in an institute, but now I study international business in a university. In 2010, I was in Germany as au pair. I lived with my host family nearly 18 months. I took care of two children. They were 9, 6, and 2 years old at the time. I stayed 3 more years because I studied at the university in Frankfurt. I was very happy in Germany. I had a good experience. I speak German, and sometimes I teach the two children on Saturdays with their homework. I like to fly to Holland because I want to improve the language English. That's me. Thank you.